hello, namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedanta. You all know I teach chemistry, but today I want to talk about a more important topic. Yes, so this is very important than your academics, let me tell you that. Let me start with a story of Roni, a very bright child who was loved by everyone. Everyone used to adore her. She was good at academics and co-curriculum activities everywhere. She was such a bright child, yeah, she was good at everything. But one day, nobody know what happened. She stopped coming out of her room very rarely. She used to step out and she started cancelling all her plans with her friends. And she had these sleepless nights. And no one knew what is happening. No one wanted to ask her what is happening. We all think, okay, when we are going through something, like mood swings, hey, yeah, she'll be fine. That was the first thought, right? And it continued. So then she reached that point where she thought suicide is the only way she can escape this pain, because no one could understand, yeah. So, but thankfully, she opened up to her best friend, and her best friend urged her to tell this to her mom, her parents. Of course, they were very much taken back, because they don't know how to react, right? Your perfect child now is sitting in front of you saying that she wanted to end her life at one point. So of course the reactions of the parents would be really different, understandable. Then first thing, she was taken to the emergency room, and then um, she started taking counseling sessions from a very good psychiatrist. And thankfully today, um, she's a very good student, and she has realized how important is her life is, and she even helps people who are going through this depression. So that's a very nice story, right? But the problem is, as I told you, fortunately she spoke, right? So many of us, we don't do it because mental illness is still considered as taboo, because you can't see the illness, so it does not exist. What kind of logic is that? So physical illness, if you just tell someone that you have fever, oh my god, so take this, go to a doctor, do this and all that. But when we say we are mentally sick, or we have this anxiety, we have this suicidal thoughts, everyone say, "Arey yaar, you will get over it. It must be a mood swings, work stress, peer pressure." Why? Why? Because it is real. The mental illness is as real as the physical illness. Why are we still not talking about it? Okay, so Roni spoke about it, okay, and now she is well. But there are many children or students who couldn't talk to someone because they thought, what will they think? Will they able to understand me? And if I tell you, so when recently a survey was conducted, and so for the 15 to 29 groups, 4 out of 10 4 out of 10 people, they went through depression, and 1 out of 4 will have this suicidal thought at one point, because our this is how we are living, right? So everyone want us to excel in every field. Academics, maybe we have to be good. Co-curriculum activities, we have to be good. We have to be a good son or daughter. So all this pressure, okay, the pressure from the parents, the peer pressure, and we tend to judge ourselves. right? We tend to criticize ourselves. So, yeah, so you're walking on the road with your friends, you're actually happy, but then you will look at someone, you're like, oh, she's so happy, she looks so happy, she must be so happy in her life. And you're just scrolling through the Instagram, you'll see, oh, they're all so happy, what is wrong with me? Such thoughts, and okay, they are beautiful, why am I not? Their parents must be very nice to her, they must love her a lot. All these thoughts, trust me, even if you don't want to think about it, that will pass at one point, right? But why do you think you're not good enough? See, you all are very precious. You all are beautiful. It's not about how they look, right? What kind of human being are you? Just look at yourself. Are you kind? Okay, so do you have empathy? Do you show sympathy to people? Are you trying to, are you working hard? Then you are an amazing person. What more do you want? See, it's not always about what we choose to show, right? So every day, we'll come here, we'll say hi, hello everyone, but we might also have some problems, right? But we don't want to show it. So everyone is like that, even the Instagram, no one wants to post their sad stories. They always choose. See, even among the 100 images, we choose the very perfect one, which we think, oh yeah, it's nice. I look happy. I look cute or whatever, right? So that is what they want to show you. So only because of those pictures or the way they are looking, don't think that only you are the unfortunate one. Only you are going through this mess. See, everyone has their own problems, right? So trust me, we have been through that age, especially this teenage from 14 to 20 almost. It's very difficult. So you have to study, and this hormonal changes, so you're being opened up to a new world. It is very difficult, but you're not alone. Please think, and no one will judge you for who you are. Okay, there are people, but let's not talk about them, let's ignore them. But there are people who wants to genuinely help you, who wants to just sit and listen to what you are going through, because even they have been through the same thing. Your parents were teenagers at one point, don't you think so? So even few parents might not talk about it, few might, but once you just go and sit and talk to them, tell them what you are going through. See, being strong, you're not strong, you're not considered strong just because you're hiding everything. Your strength is determined when you go and ask for the help. Go, because it's only one life, children, right? So don't go through all this alone, okay? Because there are people who are ready to help you out. And stop thinking that you have to be perfect. No, okay, it's your life, okay? You don't have to achieve the standards set by someone else. No. Good at academics, good. Not good, then also good. Okay, do what makes you happy. Okay, I know it is very easy for me to say all this. I understand, but what is more important, you or those achievements, right? And the depression, about which we are talking, it's not only because of one reason, especially in this adolescence age. It will be because of multiple reasons, as I told you: the peer pressure, the anxiety, the depression. Okay, so you are not alone. All I want to say is, you're not alone, and it's completely fine to break down at one moment and ask for help. Okay, so I guess my email ID, so you can even write to me. I will try to help you out if you need a person um, whom you want to talk to. I'll just listen, and there are many people like me who will just listen, who won't judge you, or who will try to advise you, who will just listen. Okay, and many of the time that's what we want. We all want that kind of person who just sits and listen, right? See, trust me, especially during this pandemic, it's not helping at all, right? So we are very close to certain people, but because of this pandemic we are not supposed to meet them or talk to them, right? So even me being an adult, after a very tiring day, I really wish I was with someone, or I had someone, you know who would give me a warm hug and say, tell me that I'm doing well, right? So we all have that, we all need that person. So it's okay to rely on someone, it's okay to show that you are going through someone, okay? Then you really are a strong person, okay? Embrace your imperfections, it's completely fine. Okay, what is perfect, what is imperfect? Every one of you, trust me, you're all very, very, very precious, okay? And we all deserve to live a very happy life. So even if you are going through anything, or if you feel like you are depressed, please open up, ask for help. It will really help you, okay? And what are the few things which can make you not very lonely, or if you are facing this anxiety because of this pandemic? So there are, yeah, which can help you relieve some stress if you are stressed, if you are anxious. um, One thing is, everyone, most of us are going through, okay? Don't think you are alone. And we have few points which we think will help you, okay? So take some time away from your normal routine. It's okay, to miss few class and take some time for yourself. It's okay, it's completely fine. Trust me, I am a teacher. I know I want all of my children to attend the sessions and learn, but sometimes it is okay to take some time away. Okay, do things which you love, like painting, or nowadays, yeah, this is only for the pandemic time, where you are not supposed to step out, or draw, or this art craft, and or the tailoring or the embroidery, or whatever which you really enjoy. Try doing it. Help your mom in the household work, okay? And listen to your favorite music. So I don't know, this helps me a lot when I'm like really stressed. First thing is, I really I just call someone and I'll talk that, and I always tell her, oh, I'm going through this, yeah, and all that, and it's completely fine. And the music really helps me. So I have this favorite band or the group called EXO. It's K-pop. So one song, if I just listen to their song, I really feel like, yeah, okay, things are going to be fine. I'm fine. Okay, so music has that power. So you can listen to your favorite music, do yoga and meditation. So this really, like, scientifically proven, this will really help you a lot, especially when you are stressed or anxious. So try meditating for at least 10 to 15 minutes every day, and get creative and find your artistic side. Just go stand in front of the mirror and sing or dance or learn some new instrument. It's okay if you're bad also, who cares? You are enjoying it, right? Start doing it from today, and spend some time in nature. So nature to abhi to, yeah, not possible. You can just look through your window, and I do it. So sometimes, I'll just go and stand in the balcony and look at people. So even though they are wearing mask, the different kind of people, then I'll see, okay, what kind of life they have. Acha, if father is, if a like average aged person is getting something, a toy or something, I'm like, okay, his child will be so happy, but it's only in a positive way. I don't judge, okay? So you don't do that, okay? Oh, they're all happy, so that will actually help you lighten up your mood. Talk to your parents and grandparents, so so they spoil us with their love, but it's good to be spoiled sometime, right? So talk to your parents and grandparents, and not just talk, okay? Open up, talk, okay? Have a real conversation. Don't just say, "Ha, I'm studying." Yeah, yeah, no, I can do it. Tell when it is hard for you. Tell them that, I can't attend today's session. I want some rest. Okay, tell them that, I don't know, even after working hard, I'm not able to get the marks you want me to score. It's okay, and trust me, they are your parents, they are your friends, they will help you. And whoever judges you, who cares? Log kya kahenge, it doesn't matter, right? Yes. So at the end of the day, it's you who matters. Okay, so please try out these few suggestions, and because we thought of doing this video, because when we were teenagers, the whole team, when we were teenagers, we had a talk. Okay, so before coming up with any video, we'll have a meeting, because it's really important, right, what we are showing. So then we thought, acha, yeah, no one told us all this when we were teenagers. Okay, as I told you, this is still a taboo. Talking about mental illness is not good. Now also, yeah, where did you go? Illness, when I say I am sick, they're all like, what happened? Fever? Cough? No one will think about, acha, mentally ill. So mental illness is only like nothing but, acha, yeah, so they have to be taken to a mental hospital. No, right? So it is as real as the physical illness, so talk about it. We wanted to talk about it, so that is the reason we have come up with this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And as I told you, so you can always let me know if you need a person to lean on to. I will be there, and not only me, most of your friends, even though they might not tell you, they will be there for you. So just try, and it's okay to not to be okay sometimes. Okay, so thank you so much. Till now, it was Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedanth.